Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. I know it's been a long time in coming, but I went to a swap and wanted to show you some of my cards. So, if you don't know what a swap is, we get together and everybody makes multiple of the same card. And so let's say there is 8 people. You're going to make 8 cards. One of them is for yourself because you're one of the 8 people. I don't remember exactly how many people we had this time, but let me go ahead and show you. This is the card that I made. And it was Winnie the Pooh. And these are all made with Stampin' Up! Products. You guys, the designer series paper is on sale this month. It says, old friends are the best friends. How cute is that? So I just did this one, and that was my swap. And then let me show you their swaps. Again, I touched on it briefly. Stampin' Up! Is having a 15% off select designer series paper and cardstock. So cardstock and designer series papers. But this one is made, I believe my friend Jenny made this one. And it's just such a cute set. And then there's this. You guys should cut each of these little teeny pieces here to make that. But isn't that just super cute? Especially when you're not feeling that great. This one, Happy Halloween. This was made by my friend Patty. And look at that. How cool is that? I don't know if you could see. I don't think it does it justice, but it is super cute with that spider web. And then the cute little spider with his face there. And then here he is again, nice and shiny. Love that. This one is a cutie. It's another Halloween, and we've got a spinner on it. And this one says, Boo to You. How cute is that little spinner? And then we've got the ghosts and the bat, crescent moon, and that lovely tree. You'll see the tree a little bit more, but that one is really cute. This one, little flutterbys, butterflies, and it says fluttering by, and this was made by my friend Kathy. Super cute. I love these just strips. They don't have to be straight across. And then you open it up and it says happy birthday. So fluttering by to say happy birthday. So cute. And all I had to do, you guys, was make that same card, and then we swap them and I get back all of these swaps. So cool. So I've got this one. It says happy birthday. Again, here's some DSP. This is all made with DSP cardstock and stamps and ink with a little bit of embellishment. Have a fabulous day. And then this one was made, and I made it so wrong. I put the paper on backwards, and so what happens is during this swap, we also have a couple of people who don't swap, but what they do is they bring all the pieces to make the cards. So we actually sit and make cards as well. So here is this one. It still came out really cute, even though I completely messed it up. If you would have seen the original, super cute. But I am not mad at this one. I mean, have you ever built something from IKEA and had extra parts? So imagine how pretty this would have been with these extra parts. So that is it. Again, I will show you my card that I swapped with. to get all those gorgeous, beautiful cards. So if you like this, if you want to know more about Stampin' Up, let me know. I'd be happy to show you. And as always, I put my link in the description. And you guys, I cannot wait to just spend more time together with you. I have missed you and so happy. I hope to be back for a long time now. All right, have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.